Okay.
Jesus
Hey.
Christ.
Do I remember where
it's
it is?
covered.
No.
Move that out my way.
Well, you found it. Fucking hell.
Enjoy that.
You're terrible. You is terrible.
Fucking hell. Okay.
Fucking hell. You're gonna get us killed, you know.
Bye bye. I'm gonna find the room. Oh.
I heard that.
What was it?
It's at the top there. I know. Look in there.
Fucking duck in there. I found some jewelry. Hello. All I was a.
No.
It sounded like I was being sick.
Oh, I feel bad.
Right.
Yep.
It is through there. Well, through here. And then you have to go around. It's a bit weird.
Okay, right, I'll leave this here then.
Well, that's 4. Let's see what's up here.
Cool.
Yeah.
Look in the cupboards. Look in the cupboards. Remember something in the cupboards. The other side. There.